Yo, this Savage Culpster is back with another video. I'm at Kendy's and Twan's neighbors, and he has this deck and then a pirate ship. It's a freaking pirate ship. Nice. Come on. And there's some cannons, and there's the jail box right there down there. And then the plank's over here. We're thinking about throwing Twan around on the walking the plank. We gotta make him walk the plank. Sorry, Twan.
Let's go.
Walking the plank. Wait, who's steering the ship? Oh no, the front's on fire. Oh god.
I get to walk the plank.
Oh! And then there's our other pirate captain's head. Yeah, he tried hurting him, his lookout guy, so we got him. And he's rotting now. His eyes are still in shape, and he's got his eye patch and his hair. Everything's good except skin. I mean, he looks better than he did when he died. So, and we got a little bell up here. Here's our safety gear.
I think that is a plank.
Oh my god, there is a plank.
Right there.
Oh,
Honey.
Oh, yeah, that is. Where's the
Where the cannons are. Shoot.
let's go up the stairs.
Fire at it too.
cannons? Okay, I'm walking the plank.
Okay, walk us you the plank. What if
Oh my gosh.
Shouldn't this wall is high up.
There you go. And you're gonna go.
Why does that build
down.
Why does that build? Oh, yeah, that builds one of these. We can walk the plank up this. If we go in the
On our boat. Yeah. But
Hey guys,
take this thing out though.
so why are we going why are we going like 93 miles an hour? We're going 93 miles an hour. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, this thing's fast.
Whee! We're moving so fast in the water.
You got another.
Look at that point.
Oh my gosh. We got another pirate coming. He likes K-State. We're walking him on the plank too. You're going on the plank. Mm-hmm.
Right now. Yeah. Get over here. I need you to rock the plank.
Yerg. 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 He's looking for something.
Get up there and walk the plank.
For my gold. Never have on that.
Wait, check for his gold.
Okay,
Check for all of his gold. Where's your gold?
in my butt. All right, look at the plank right there. Plank.
Boy.
Plank. Right there. Oh.
And yes, you have to
I'll go
walk
on
in
it.
it.
No.
Walk the
Hey,
plank.
shoot the cannons. Where's the cannons?
Pew.
Guys, we're about to turn it.
Twan, let go. We're not supposed to turn it. Oh my gosh, do that again. That was awesome. Just,
we can't
this is
go-
what you do.
You guys want to go on a kayak and go fishing?
Sure.
If we catch something. Which
Like,
we
go
didn't,
there,
we
go
went
down
fishing
there.
earlier and we didn't catch anything else
we
but
didn't
that
actually
bass.
go all-
So,
Okay.
Okay, let's get
Yeah.
coats before we do that because it's actually.
I don't need no
bugging
coat.
around.
so we're probably gonna go kayak fishing. Maybe.
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So if I start catching something, I'm gonna count on you.
Okay.
Tell me, get your phone, get your phone.
Okay.
Well,
I'll tell you if you catch this.
No. but
No.
don't do that.
Can't go in.
Yeah, the
We should
engine.
go so
I'm gonna
inside.
give them a little sneak peek
A little inside.
through the little hole.
Yeah, that guy has like a small head.
This is a sneak peek.
So guys, stay away from me. Don't get me.
Ooh, sneak peek. There you go. Upside down sneak peek is better.
get them.
Oh yeah, and then there's big-headed Jimmy over there. We put him on the front because he has a big head and it looks like it's fake, but it's 100% real.
You got the one up there too.
Oh yeah. We put those 2 guys up, those 3 guys actually up there. That one's still rotten though. These 2 are completely, that one's still kind of rotten though, but that one's our pirate before that's our midget guy. He got stuck in the storm. I don't know where his skin went, but he's gone. And then, yeah, big head Jimmy is over here.
Big?
We're gonna show him big headed Jimmy. Big headed Jimmy. He's big. His head is Jimmy. Dude, I swear, if I drop my phone. Wait. I have a fear of water. I gotta run. Running. There's our other friend/cousin. There's our big fire. It's not ours, but there's a bone, guys. It's a bone.
Well, here's what
I
happened.
found another one. Okay, Twan. Let's go.
If you buy a house and say,
So,
68, your property
we're go
tax
kayak fishing right now, so
house is that price, so you sell.
watch for falling rocks while we're doing this, okay?
Now if you sell
You have to watch for falling rocks. For fallen rocks. Watch for fallen rocks.
but now they have these other things.
So, do that and subscribe. Go get some merch, okay? Get some good merch. Go watch our my merch video, our merch website video, which is gonna tell you where to, what to type in to get the website. So we're walking down the street of grass and we got past at North Thomas Avenue and Golden Valley Road. And so hit that notification bell. Subscribe if you didn't. If you did, you're awesome. If you didn't, just do it and then you'll be awesome. Or savage, whatever you want. And we'll keep you updated on if I catch another fish. There's Grandma.
Hip, hop, hootie, pop.
That's a fire. Oh, dang. The pop blew. Bet you there's air in it. So, we're going to go kayak fishing. Keep you updated. And goodbye.